This month, we're covering electrical safety and energy control. And on today's warehouse safety tips, we're talking about battery charging station safety. So stay tuned. Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast. A battery charging station can look quiet. A charger hums, a pallet jack sits parked, a forklift waits for the next shift. But behind that quiet setup, real hazards can build fast. Hydrogen gas, acid splash, damaged connectors, blocked Eyewash stations, small misses can turn into big injuries. A good safety culture means we don't wait for smoke, sparks, or a burn to start caring. We build habits before the trouble shows up. That's how a facility protects its people, its equipment, and its production schedule. Here are a few tips that are going to assist you with battery charging stations. Number 1, keep ventilation working and clear. If you're using lead acid batteries, they can release hydrogen gas during charging, and that gas can collect near ceilings or tight corners. Make sure that the charging area has proper airflow, that vents are not blocked, and that fans or exhaust systems operate as required by your facility's safety guidelines. Number 2, you want to control ignition sources. No smoking, open flames, grinding, or sparking tools near charging stations. Hydrogen gas can ignite quickly. Fast, dangerous, preventable. Keep signs visible and keep the area free from anything that could start a fire. Number 3, this is something that you should do all the time. Wear the right PPE every time. Battery acid can burn skin and eyes. You want to use the required face shields, safety goggles, acid-resistant gloves, aprons, and proper footwear when handling batteries, acid, or connectors. Don't rush this step. PPE only works when you wear it before the splash. Number 4, you want to inspect connectors and cables before use. You want to look for cracked insulation, loose plugs, frayed wires, corrosion, or signs of overheating. A damaged connector is more than just an equipment issue. It can shock, burn, or start a fire. Report problems right away and remove damaged equipment from service. And last but certainly not least, number 5, keep Eyewash stations ready. An Eyewash station must be easy to reach and use, and free from boxes, pallets, trash, or parked equipment. Check the flow, cleanliness, and access as required by your facility. In an acid splash, seconds matter. As always, these are just potential tips. Please be sure to follow the rules and regulations of your specific facility. A safe battery charging area doesn't happen by luck. It happens because people respect the hazard. They follow the process and they speak up when something looks wrong. That's the kind of safety culture that keeps crews and facilities moving. So take the extra minute. Check your airflow. Put on PPE, clear the Eyewash paths, and these are the simple actions that are going to carry serious weight. The best safety wins are the ones that nobody see because the injury never happened. And thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week, stay safe, and here's a word from our sponsor.
If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.